Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS classes. Now, student, today date is 19 November 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 21. So, all of you open page number 123. So let's do recapitulation of the chapter, the things or the topics which I have already explained you, that are what is a central government, what are the two houses of parliament known as, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So how we do the selection of the president, this topic I have already explained you. How the government is formed, that already we have discussed. How we elected the state government, because we know that student, our country is divided into 28 states. Our country is divided into 28 states. So student, very important thing is how the members of these state governments are elected. So I have already explained this topic to you, that we have multi-party system and these parties nominated their candidates at the time of election, and who give the votes? The people of that state give the vote, and the age of giving the vote is already mentioned in the constitution. Any person whose age is 18 or above 18 can give the vote. So student, the party which get the maximum number of seats, they form the government, and the head of this state legislative assembly is known as the chief minister. And who is the head of the state? Head of the state is governor. And who appointed the governor? Governor is appointed by the president of India. Okay, then after, next topic which I covered in this chapter is what are union territories. So student, we have 8 union territories, and why we kept these area and territories we have already discussed. After that, the topic which I cover in this is that what is local administration. So who look out the welfare of the people of the villages? So for this there is a Gram Panchayat, and the head of the Gram Panchayat is known as Pradhan, or you can also say Sarpanch. The next topic which I covered in this chapter is election commission. So all the different types of elections, that is in the central and state, all these are, all types of elections are conducted by the election commission. And who heads the election commission? Election commissioner heads it. Okay, next is the judiciary. This is a very important, they play a very important role. And what is the reason for that? See, we know that our country is a big country, lot of population. So in a constitution, what is constitution? Constitution is a set of laws to rule the country. ठीक है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है? सेट ऑफ लॉज हैं टू रूल द कंट्री. So the judiciary play a very important role. They observe that whether what are the laws which are written in the constitution, so all the peoples are following that or not, and in any cases they give the judgment. And there are many district high courts, and but there is only one highest court, that is known as Supreme Court. And the head of these, there are many judges in the Supreme Court, and there is only one single Supreme Court in our country, that is in New Delhi. And many judges are in the Supreme Court. But what is the head of the Supreme Court is known as head of all the judges. That person is known as Chief Justice of Supreme Court. So, and after that, student, we have started the book exercises of the chapter. First question, question number A, tick the correct answer. So these are MCQ questions. For the one question, 4 options are given, and we have to choose the right option. And we have to choose the right option. So student, question number A, tick the correct answer. We have already completed in book, because book exercises we have to complete in the book only. In classwork copy, you will write only the question answers of the chapter, and you will draw the diagrams. Okay. Now let's start with question number B. Fill in the blanks. First question is, the dash government makes law and governs the whole nation. The dash government makes laws and governs the whole nation. So, in the beginning of the chapter, the dash government makes laws and governs the whole nation. So, in the beginning of the chapter, when we are discussing, at that time I explained you directive principles are given for the states, how they do welfare for the people of the states. So the main, see, there are 28 states in our country, and all the states have their own state legislative assembly. But student, main government is in Delhi, New Delhi, and the government that मेक्स द लॉ एंड गवर्न्स द होल नेशन, पूरे नेशन की। जो देखो 28 स्टेट में तो अलग अलग गवर्नमेंट्स है, मल्टी पार्टी सिस्टम है इलेक्शन का भी, ठीक है। लेकिन जो मेन एक आपकी जो गवर्नमेंट है, जो अदर्स स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स को फंक्शन करने में हेल्प करती है, सो दैट मेन गवर्नमेंट इज नोन एज द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, एंड दिस गवर्नमेंट हेल्प्स the state government in different states. So what is the right answer? Right answer is central government. The central government makes laws and governs the whole nation. So note down the answer in your book. Now the next question. The chief minister the chief minister is helped by so student, we know that in all the state we have a state government. There are 28 states, so we have 28 state legislative assemblies in all the states, and the head of these legislative assembly is known as the chief minister of that state. For example, who is the chief minister of our state? That is UP. So the name of the chief minister is what? Yogi Adityanath. So Yogi Adityanath is the chief minister of UP. So how this chief, who helped the chief minister for the smooth functioning of the state? So देखो एक टीम होती है, जैसे स्कूल में प्रिंसिपल मैम है, एंड हु हेल्प मैम फॉर द टीचिंग पर्पस, दैट इज ऑल द टीचर्स। स्कूल में क्लीननेस का काम करना, ये सब के लिए ऑल ग्रुप डी एम्प्लॉइज। तो एक टीम होती है। इसी तरह जब स्टेट में गवर्नमेंट बनती है, हेड तो चीफ मिनिस्टर बनता है, दैट्स ट्रू, बट हु हेल्प हिम? सो द चीफ मिनिस्टर इज हेल्प्ड बाय द काउंसिल्स ऑफ मिनिस्टर, ठीक है। जो उसके गवर्नमेंट में जो मिनिस्टर होंगे, ठीक है, वो भी अपनी एक टीम बनाता है, चीफ मिनिस्टर भी। देखो अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं, किसी को ये दे दिया इस तरह, तो अलग अलग, कोई एजुकेशन देख लेगा, कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट पे वर्क करेगा, कोई इंटरटेनमेंट पे वर्क करेगा, कोई एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड पे, इस तरह अलग अलग फील्ड्स के मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं। सो दीज काउंसिल्स ऑफ मिनिस्टर help the chief minister for the smooth functioning of the state, so that they can do the welfare of the people living in that state. So answer is council of minister. Council of minister. You note down the answer in your copy. The chief minister is helped by the council of minister. Now the members of the members of the legislative assembly are called it dash. So we know that student, every state have their state legislative assembly, and who is the head of this state legislative assembly? That is known as the chief minister. Head is known as the chief minister. Now in this fill in the blanks it is asked what we call the members of स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के जो मेंबर्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? व्हाट वी कॉल्ड इट द मेंबर्स ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, बिकॉज वी नो दैट द हेड इज द चीफ मिनिस्टर. सो व्हाट वी कॉल्ड इट द मेंबर्स ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. सो स्टूडेंट, द मेंबर्स ऑफ स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज, they are called it MLAs. They are called it MLAs. They are known as member of state legislative assemblies. They are known as MLAs. Now note down the answer. Let's start with question number 4. So student, the Rajya Sabha is headed by the Rajya Sabha is headed by the student, Lok Sabha, head of the Lok Sabha is known as Prime Minister, and we know that there are two houses in the parliament. One is Lok Sabha, another is known as Rajya Sabha, or you can also say Lok Sabha as a lower house and Rajya Sabha as a upper house. So the head of the Lok Sabha is known as the Prime Minister of our country. Okay, now the question arises, who is the head of Rajya Sabha? So student, the answer is the head of the Rajya Sabha is Vice President. Vice President. So student, Vice President is the head of the Rajya Sabha. Is it clear? The Vice President of our country is the head of the Rajya Sabha, and you know that in the method of how the members are elected, members are indirectly elected by the members of state legislative assembly. members are elected by the members of state legislative assembly. Is it clear? Now let's move to question number 5. Election for Lok Sabha are held after dash years. So student, Lok Sabha is also known as a temporary house because after every 5 years we have the election of Lok Sabha. All the members are out, and we know that in our country there is a multi-party system. Different parties nominated the candidates at the time of election, and the party which wins the maximum number of seats, that party makes the government. So that is the reason, student, Lok Sabha is also known as a temporary house. After every 5 years, all the members are changed. There is an election, and here the members are directly elected by the people. Here the members are directly elected by the people. So after how many years election for Lok Sabha are held? After how many years? So the right answer is 5 years. So student, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter. Now let's start with a name. Question number C. Name the following. Question number C. Name the following. Name the following. Okay. So the first question is the present president of India. Present president of India. So in present time मतलब इस समय, ठीक है, पास्ट क्या हो जाता है, दो टाइम क्या हो गया, बीत चुका है. सो इन द प्रेजेंट टाइम हु इज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया? सो स्टूडेंट, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज नोन एज रामनाथ कोविंद. Note down the name of the President of India, that is Ramnath रामनाथ कोविंद. So Ramnath Kovind is the president of our country, that is India. Next question, the present Prime Minister of India. The present Prime Minister of India. So who is the present Prime Minister of India, student? So present Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi. So the present Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Next question. The present, question number third. The present Vice President of India. M. Venkaiah Naidu. M. Venkaiah Naidu. So Vice President of India is M. Venkaiah Naidu. He is the Vice President of India. Now next question. Question number 4. The Speaker of India. So who is the Speaker of India? Om Birla. Om Birla is the Speaker of India. Om Birla is the Speaker of India. Next, note down this answer. So student, in this chapter the present President of India, present Prime Minister of India, present Vice President of India, and the Speaker of India, Om Birla. So paste the picture of these leaders in your classwork copy. Thank you.